In this video, I'm going to show how to scale a worksheet to fit on a printed page. So we're going back to our 07 Messenger print file. If you don't have this, then you can just follow along. So let's ensure that our sheet 1 is the selected sheet. Let's go to the Page Layout tab. So if you're on Home, let's go to Page Layout. In the Page Setup group, right here, click Orientation and make sure it's on Portrait, because in the last lesson we changed it to Landscape Orientation, so we want to make sure it's on Portrait. So in the Scale to Fit group, which is right here in the middle, click the height arrow and then select one page. So how high do we want? Well, it's trying to be automatic. Let's make it one page. So the scale of the worksheet is reduced so that all rows fit on the same page. So this is going to compress it. It's going to scale it down to whatever percent it takes. It might be 78%, it might be 50%, whatever, 25%, whatever it takes to get all those rows onto one page. Now let's go to the File tab. Let's go to Print. And you'll see that we only have one page down here. In our other videos we had 2 pages, but now we only have one. But you notice the type is kind of small because it reduced the height or the size of our data set that we were trying to print. Let's go back to here. We can also do our width. If you're worried that not all your columns will fit on one page, you may have multiple columns or a wider spreadsheet than I do. So our data may go on to extra columns, and we can make sure that our width also stays on one page by selecting one page. And that will work with your columns. And that's how you adjust the scaling. You can also go to File, Print, and you can use the scaling features in the print in Backstage on the print preview page. But that's how you ensure that all your rows or all your columns can fit on one page.